I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the keyboard and choosing a remapping tool. This is where the convenience comes from. Open System Settings to verify the device, then install Carabiner elements for deep remaps or use modifier keys for quick swaps. Once done, decide which physical key should act as Command, Option, and Control. That choice affects shortcuts and muscle memory. Make sure to back up current settings or note defaults, so you can revert if a swap breaks expected behavior. Once you have the tool open, create a new profile dedicated to your Windows keyboard so changes don't affect other input devices. Add explicit rules: Windows key to Command, Alt to Option, and Control to Control. Use app-specific rules for programs like VS Code or Terminal where you want different mappings. Then test common shortcuts and text navigation. If something feels laggy, fine-tune key repeat rate and delay in Mac OS keyboard settings. This step ensures predictable behavior across apps. To finish, export and save your profile so you can restore it quickly. Then set Carabiner to load at login for consistency. If keys stop behaving, reboot and repair the device or temporarily disable other keyboard utilities that may conflict. Make sure Mac OS accessibility and input monitoring permissions are granted to the remapping app. Missing permissions often block remaps. As a final tip, test on a new user account to isolate system-level conflicts before doing a full reinstall of the tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.